Welcome you all for today's session. Today I am going to discuss about the topic classification of data mining system. Data mining system is actually the interdisciplinary field. It has set of multidisciplinary fields such as databases, statistics, and machine learning, visualization, and information science. It also includes the techniques from other disciplines or other domains such as fuzzy and neural networks, rough set theory, high performance computing, logic computing, and many more. It also comprises of or integrating different kinds of techniques from spatial databases, image and signal processing, pattern recognition, web technologies, computer graphics, psychology, economics, business, and many other disciplines. So it is a set of multidisciplinary field. So let us see the diagram. So how the classification of data mining system. See in this slide, it is the set of multidisciplinary field already I say, so that it includes database technologies and statistics, machine learning and visualization, information science, many other disciplines such as image, signal processing, World Wide Web, psychology, computer graphics, many other domains are the disciplines. So based on this one, we are going to categorize. Based on this one, we are going to classify entire thing into 4 classes. The first one is the databases to be mined. The second one is the kind of knowledge to be mined. The third one is the kind of techniques to be mined. And the fourth classification is the kind of applications adopted. So let us see the first one. Based on the different kinds of databases, how the data mining system will be classified. Again, there are 2 types. It is classified based on the kind of data models used. And another one is the type of data going to be handled in the data mining system. Based on the data models, how the data model, whether it is a relational data model or multidimensional data model. So based on that one, we have relational databases, transactional databases, object-oriented databases, object relational databases, and the data warehouses. These are the different kinds of the data models. Based on that one, databases can be mined. This is one of the category. Another one is depending upon the type of data handled. So what type of data we are going to handle? Whether is it spatial data or textual data, structured data, semi-structured data, or unstructured data, or heterogeneous data, multimedia data such as videos, audios, and any kind of the different integration of the voice and videos, etc. And World Wide Web, from data from the web servers, and the legacy data. So based on the type of data handled and based on the kind of data models used, the databases to be mined, this is the first classification of the data mining system, first classification. The second category is based on the kind of knowledge to be mined. This is the second classification. Here we have three things are there. One is the knowledge to be mined based on the what kind of data mining tasks we used. Like we are using characterization or discrimination or association rule mining or classification or prediction or regression methods or the clustering techniques, outlier analysis, or multiple or integrated functions. This is nothing but we can make use of not only single data mining task. We will integrate 2 or more data mining tasks also in order to mine the patterns. So that what kind of knowledge is required to mine the patterns. So this is nothing but the kind of knowledge. The other one is granularity levels. So this is also distinguished based on granularity levels or abstraction of the knowledge mined, which includes general or high level data abstraction or the primitive level knowledge is required, or the low level knowledge is required in order to mine. So this is nothing but the various abstraction levels are the granularity levels. The another one is the knowledge, the kind of knowledge may be based on the data regularities also. So whether the customers are using the frequent patterns, we are going to mine based on the data regularities. That is nothing but the frequent patterns, or we are going to mine based on the irregular patterns such as outliers. So based on the data regularities, based on the granularity levels, based on the knowledge. This is about the second category of the data mining system. The third category is the kind of techniques utilized. Classification based on techniques, different kinds of the techniques employed, which can be described according to the degree of user interaction involved. What kind of, what level of, what degree level involved user interaction in the mining system. Whether it is query-based systems or the query-based systems or the autonomous systems or the interactive systems. Classification based on the methods of the data analysis, mainly such as database oriented or data warehouses or visualization, statistics, machine learning methods, neural networks. So this is mainly based on the method, the data analysis methods. The last classification or the categorization of the data mining system is the kind of applications adopted in the data mining system. So data mining systems may be used especially for today retail systems and finance systems, telecommunication systems, banking systems, fraud analysis systems, DNA mining and stock market analysis and web data mining. So DNA domain name specific mining and web mining and weblog analysis, many more like market basket analysis and stock prediction, stock exchange data, different kinds of the data. So depending upon the what kind of applications we are using right now in the data mining system. So this is the fourth classification of the data mining system. So like this, there are the data mining system will be classified into the 4 categories. Thank you.